All right, so what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors, and this is your sick boy for today. I'm sorry I have not been able to post a video up this week. I've been just under the weather. I've been feeling really sick, and I've just been working a lot as well. So I have not been able to have some time to work on this, which kind of sucks because it's been snowing outside, and this is my snow car. I'm not going to be driving my other one in the snow. Very sketch, even though it's all-wheel drive, but the tires, they're not really meant for the snow. But luckily, with the all-wheel drive, it does kind of help a little bit. But unfortunately, today or this week, guys, I will not have a video out. I just figured I'd put out a little apology skit, a short video saying on, for my diehard followers being like, hey, why is there no video out this week? That's the reason why. I mean, I have been able to, mess around with the car a little bit, but nothing video worthy. Pretty much just me messing up the mounts. I have a few ideas in mind because the way I measured out the mounts did not work out so well. So I'm waiting for a couple more parts for that. Maybe it'll make my life a little bit easier. I could probably just try something different. But I did buy a couple new parts for it, like a couple of things, a couple ideas. Hey man, if you guys have some ideas, please leave a comment down below previous video, because mounting it to the point where it's like, degrees and angles, not my forte. I did not pay attention in that class. I really should have, Who knew? Was it geometry and algebra? I think it's geometry would come in handy. So pay attention in school, kids. Who knows? You might actually need math. But unfortunately, guys, I do not have much for you guys today. So hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And hopefully by next weekend, I will come up with a better, amazing, and new video for you guys. So thanks again for being patient. For those who are not patient, you. Just kidding. I'm sorry. I take it back. Maybe not. Yeah, no, but I've been feeling like trash lately. Honestly, I think I've been inhaling too many welding fumes. I don't know. I think it's like aluminum oxide or whatever the chemical is. The warning says do not inhale, even though like my garage, I have like an air filter thingy up there, and sometimes I leave my garage open and I wear a respirator as well, but I guess that's not enough. Every time I weld, oh man, I feel like trash afterwards. I don't know if it's a coincidence because it's only been like a couple times, but whatever. I digress. I'll see you guys next week. Check out my other videos and comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.